Hey guys, my name's Cameron, aka the Cocktail Coach, aka the Mindful Mixologist, and I am back again to bring you another masterclass in non-alcoholic yet functional cocktails. Now if you didn't see my last video, to sum up, this is part of a 3-part series of masterclass videos on non-alcoholic but functional cocktails sponsored by Free Spirit. Now each one of these videos is going to showcase a different range of free spirit in a different non-alcoholic cocktail with a different functionality. Last video we did Livener. That was our morning boost, our spritz, our summer drink, our energy boosting cocktail. This time we're focusing on mood boosting with none other than Social Elixir by Free Spirit. Great on its own or topped up with ginger ale, perfect for that kind of midday. You're feeling a bit down, you need a bit of a mood booster. Maybe you're going out, you want a little bit of pre-drink, stay away from the booze. It's made with a range of botanicals from herbal ingredients with mood boosting properties to even lion's mane mushroom. It's got this kind of savoury taste, it's beautiful, and the cocktail we're going to do it in today is going to focus on another health boosting ingredient, which is aloe vera. We're going to put the two together. We're going to make cocktails, non-alcoholic, functional, which I'm calling Aloe Aloe. Why am I calling it Aloe Aloe? Why not? You've got Social Elixir, you've got aloe vera, because it uses aloe vera, and that's exactly how a Mancunian says hello, hello, aloe aloe. Now, without further ado, this is how you make the aloe aloe. First thing you want to do, grab yourself a cocktail shaker. We're going to go in straight away with a mood boosting, plant powered, functional drink, which is Social Elixir. We're going to go in with 40 millilitres. Right, so now you don't have to use cocktail shaker, you can use whatever you've got on hand, Tupperware, coffee cup, anything that you can shake with is fine. You don't even have to have a jigger like this. You can eyeball it, taste it, adjust it for the next time, or you can use like an egg cup, whatever. Next up, we're going to add a little bit of citrus in there. So we're going to add a little bit of lime. It's going to work beautifully to balance out those flavours. It's also going to add a little bit of a bite. So you're going to go in about 25 millilitres of lime juice, which is about a lime and a bit. Once again, you can eyeball it, that's alright. Then we're going to go in with our aloe vera. Now aloe vera juice is hard to get, you can get it mixed with water. That's what I have here. You don't have to be top of the range. As long as you've got quite a high level of aloe vera in there, that's perfectly. Little top tip, if you look for one that's got the little bits in it, it'll work a treat. We're going to go in 50 millilitres of aloe vera. It's quite a subtle flavour, but really adds to that texture, really adds to lengthening out the cocktail. And then lastly, we're going to add a little bit of a homemade ingredient. Don't get worried, relax. What we've got here is we've got ginger infused agave. Now calm down, I'll tell you exactly how you make this, super simple. What you're going to do is you've got to grab yourself some agave syrup, one of the most natural and healthy sweeteners you can get. You're going to add that in a pan. You're going to add 200 grams of agave syrup with 100 grams or millilitres of water, and into that you're going to peel some ginger root, chop it up, and you're going to add 30 grams of ginger in that pan, bring it to a boil, stir it, combine it, simmer it, strain it out. What you have is this ginger infused agave, works beautiful, adds a touch of sweetness, adds a touch of spice. I'm going to go in 10 millilitres, just a dash of that ginger. And this is what I love about Free Spirit, is that non-alcoholic drinks usually have this unhealthy aspect of being really high in calories, being really overly sweet and lacklustre in terms of flavour. These guys put so much work in creating these functional and flavoursome, really deep character products with a range of botanicals. All you've really got to do is lengthen it out. You don't have to add too much, and you already have that complexity. You already have that functionality. So add ice to your shaker, cover that Give it a real good shake. Grab yourself a rocks glass or any shot glass would do. Fill it to the top with ice. You want this to be ice cold. We're just going to pour that in over the top. There we go, you get this beautiful red colouring. Looks amazing. Smells heavenly, absolutely heavenly. So grab yourself some pineapple leaves. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to use them to garnish this. Now I'll show you a little trick. Normally what people do, they put them together like this. They throw them in. Ooh. They put it in, they go, there we go, job done. No, I'm going to show you what you're going to do. You see the top of the pineapple? It's normally got this kind of white dusting on it. That's the yeast. Doesn't look appealing, don't look great. They're also normally a bit dog-eared. Now the bottoms, however, the fresher the pineapple, you get this kind of white look that leads into the green. So you want to use that bit, and what you do, turn your pineapple leaf upside down and just cut a triangle there. Do one more. There you go. You can then cut your pineapples down. Get rid of all your cut-offs. You ain't gonna need them. No, you ain't. Instead of having these kind of ugly, faded top bits, you got this beautiful little ombre effect from the white to the green. They're a lot more sharp, look a lot more better. That's just a little tip. These little details, they go a long way, you see. Stick that in, look at that. How much better does that look? There we go. It's tropical, smells beautiful, looks amazing, functional. That's another masterclass done. Join me in the next video. I'll be showing you the final free spirit in the range, which is Nightcap. And we're going to be doing some sleep-inducing, stress relieving, functional cocktails. So I'll see you then. For now, bye.